How to fix Discord just loading. Today guys I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this go directly to apps. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search now just for Discord. When you found Discord guys, just open it like this and then go to storage option. Then go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like in and subscribing in our channel, and see you another video.